Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Shagufta and today I have brought to you a wonderful pasta bake which is a family favorite and a perfect dish to serve at gatherings as it looks wonderful, tastes heavenly and it's very easy to prepare. It's minced cheese pasta bake. But before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my upcoming videos. So now let's cook along with our easy to follow video. The list of ingredients is listed on the screen and it's also listed in the description box below. So we'll start with first making the mincemeat sauce, which is also known as bolognese sauce. We will add 2 teaspoons chopped garlic and 2 teaspoons celery to 3 tablespoons olive oil. We'll fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. We will now add 1 medium chopped onion and saute it till it's translucent and soft. This will take approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can see that the onion has turned soft. So we will add 250 grams of mincemeat. And we'll cook this on high heat for around 4 to 5 minutes till all the moisture is absorbed. This might take 4 to 5 minutes or a little longer. So now we can see that very little moisture is remaining. So to this we'll add 1/4 cup of milk. We cook the mince in milk as it gives a nice texture and flavor and it also helps in making the mince tender. So now that the milk has started boiling, we will cover it and cook it on low heat till the milk is absorbed in the mince. This will take approximately 5 minutes. But you have to keep checking, it might take a little longer. As we can see, the milk is absorbed. So now it's time to add the tomato puree. So we have taken the puree of 3 tomatoes, salt to taste and half teaspoon black pepper powder. We'll give this a mix. And now we'll add 1 tablespoon tomato paste. The pureed tomatoes add the flavor of fresh tomatoes and the tomato paste helps in thickening the sauce. We'll cook this on high heat till the sauce thickens. As we can see, the sauce is thick and almost ready. So just before turning off the heat, we'll add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon hot sauce and half teaspoon dried oregano. The sauces enhance the flavor of the dish as well as giving the dish a beautiful color. The aroma of the dish is just awesome and our minced sauce is now ready. We'll cover and keep this aside. We'll now start with the preparation of the white sauce, which is also known as bechamel sauce. We'll add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour to 2 tablespoons of butter. We'll also add 2 bay leaves and we'll fry this for a minute. The flour should cook but it shouldn't brown. We'll now add 1.5 cups of milk gradually, little at a time, and we'll keep mixing. We have to ensure to keep stirring to avoid formation of lumps. Once the sauce is thick, we will remove the bay leaves. And now we'll add salt to taste, that's approximately 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon black pepper powder. We'll mix this and turn off the heat. Our white sauce is now ready, we'll keep this aside. Our third process is to boil the macaroni. We'll cook the pasta in boiling water to which we have added 1 teaspoon oil and approximately 1 teaspoon salt. We'll cook this for 7 to 8 minutes till it's cooked but firm. Once it's cooked, we'll drain it and we'll run it under cold water to avoid further cooking of the pasta. All our preparations are now ready, so let's now start putting everything together for baking. I have taken an oval baking dish that's 10 inches by 6 inches with a 3 inches depth. We'll first spread the mint sauce at the bottom of the dish. We'll spread the layer of pasta on top. And spread it on all the sides, covering the edges. And now for the best part, that's the layer of cheese. I have taken 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. This can be increased to 1.5 to 2 cups according to your liking. We will now grill this for 10 to 15 minutes till the cheese starts browning on top. Our dish is now ready and the heavenly aroma of the sauces and cheese is just amazing. Enjoy this dish by itself, served with ketchup or hot sauce. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks for watching.